Is your 4G USB Wi-Fi modem not working properly? Before you buy a new one, try a factory reset in less than 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to reset it using your Windows PC. This method works for many 4G LTE USB Wi-Fi modems that have become slow, unresponsive, or have forgotten settings. No advanced technical skills are required. First, connect your USB Wi-Fi modem to your computer. Wait until Windows recognizes the device, then open your web browser and enter the modem's default IP address. Log in using your password. Once you're logged in, open the Settings or System menu. Find the Factory Reset or Restore Default Settings option. Click it and confirm the reset. Don't unplug the modem while the reset is in progress. The modem will restart automatically. This may take a few minutes. After it finishes, reconnect to the modem using the default Wi-Fi name and password found on the device label. Your modem is now restored to its factory settings. If you're still having connection problems, leave a comment below and I'll help you troubleshoot. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Windows and networking tips, and share it with someone who needs this fix.